Hi guys, this is me, Dominic from the Dominic channel.
And I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ben.
And we're doing this Japanese thing where you got this. And then it's a little washer machine, and we're going to make some videos of washing machines. So we got in the pack some stickers.
This little straw thing. And then
and then we got the blue packet, and then some other stuff, what is supplies to make it all ready.
okay, so let's follow the tag. Can you read this?
Yeah, you have to read them. You have to read them, and you have to tell us what they mean because it's in Japanese.
Don't do anything yet.
Yes, you do.
Just I'd wait until so you know what to do. Do you know how to read it?
Yep.
Okay.
So separate all the pieces first.
There we go.
So do you put it together?
Oh, wait. We need a spatula. No, don't put it together yet. And I
Don't
just
put any
broke.
pieces together because once they...
Oh, so far, just give me a minute. Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys. What is happening?
Okay, got it.
We gotta hurry up because it only goes until 15
Okay.
minutes.
Okay. So
What do we do first?
you see one, and then you put this
So you
number
put the-
3 on top of it.
I like this little
Number
spatula. Oh my gosh.
On
It's
top- okay, so that.
cute.
Yep.
I can't
Okay.
afford.
And
And
then
then-
you put this thing.
Then you put number 3 on top of
There's
it.
no numbers on it, so that's
Upside right.
right here.
No, on the middle
Over
one.
here.
Okay.
And then you put the big thing over it,
Yep.
which way like this.
Yep.
And I close it.
Yep. Then close it.
It's a little washer machine.
Oh, that's smart.
Let me see. Let me feel it.
Hold on.
Yep.
that's
Hey,
what
Ben!
I'm
It
just showing
like moves the inside,
I want to see.
like from this little thing, and then it opens and closes. Okay, so now what do we have to do?
Okay, so then you put in the powder packet. Actually, you put it on the stickers first.
You put on the stickers?
Yep, and here's the sample of how you could make it look.
Here, this
Okay, here
is
you
the
go.
front. We can do however we want.
Okay.
I can put the mouse on. Okay. I'll put the eyes on.
There we go. I'm going to make a little smile.
Is everybody having fun? Everybody paying attention to Dominic?
Yes. Ow! Well,
Ladies and gentlemen, I think you got a hit over here.
Oh my gosh, stop, Dad.
oh my gosh.
There.
There we go.
We should put a little bow on. Oh, wait. We have
Oh yeah, we should put a bow.
Well, look at the eyelashes and the eyebrows.
We don't need eyebrows. Okay, so let's put it like right there, right?
Yeah, I think that's good.
And then we should put heart, like
What about the
hearts.
cheeks?
Oh yeah, and we should put this too.
That goes right here. So let's
Like
put
these
it-
things can go on the side
let's
if
put
you
it
want.
right.
No, they don't go right there. They go like they're buttons.
Let's see where they go.
The buttons.
Should
Oh.
they go right here?
Buttons.
Let's see. Let's see if I can help. Oh, they go right here.
What did you do?
They go right here. On that
Yeah.
little edge.
I dropped the spatula.
That's gonna cover up the bow, though.
Guys, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh,
What happened, Dom?
He dropped the spatula.
Ooh,
Dad, you just went exactly where I wanted to put the heart sticker.
found it.
So,
Okay, put it on the other side.
Oh,
Okay.
that was.
Over here. See? Over here. On the other side where the scoop goes.
Wait. I can do
The scoop goes right on that side.
Woo!
okay. Okay, so now we
Alright,
put the
done.
mix in.
Now we put the mix in.
Yep.
I'll hold it for you so you don't
So open it up.
open it up. Then put the mix in.
All of it?
I think we need water. Yeah, we need water.
Let me read it.
I can't spell it. Do we add it all in?
All of it.
Dad,
No, do we all add it all in? Oh yeah, that would be cool because it will go like and mix it all together. I'm just gonna go like this for the whole. Is it? Oh my gosh, it was so loud. I think it's gonna be loud, like on your electronics.
do we add it all in? Or do we just do a spoonful?
Yep. So put it in there.
All of it? Or a spoonful?
Just half of it.
So a spoon?
Yes.
2 scoops.
Okay. That's 1 scoop.
Yep.
2 scoop.
No, let me show on the video. So far you can see. So there's some in there.
Some what? I think that's enough. That's like a bunch.
No, how much do we have to put water in it? Yeah.
Yeah, we have to put water in it because that would be so gross if you just like mix it
And there's no
together.
powder. It's like, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some. Oh, it's really sweet.
Let me taste.
It's kind of sour. Isn't it good?
Yeah.
So add some water in there.
Like a spoonful?
Yeah, go get like a little cup of water.
I'm gonna mix it. Okay, Sophia's getting the water. Oh my gosh, guys. Spin it. As you guys can see.
There's just leftover water in my mouth also.
Okay, fill it with water.
Do we just do like a spoonful?
No, not that tiny. Okay, fine. You can do that.
How am I gonna do this? I don't know. Here, let me just.
I was gonna say squirt it in.
Here, should I just squirt a little bit in it? Cause
Yeah.
like this, like that.
No, like more.
Oh, okay, Dad.
No, now you're supposed to use
now
the stir.
Now you use the stir.
Just for this thing.
No, that's the straw you drink
Oh.
it with. You're doing it too fast, Sam. It's spilling over the side.
You have to, like right. You have to go like this. So like there's like the.
Don't, it's gonna spill, you guys. There, now drink it. Yeah, now
I'm gonna taste it first.
I'm gonna show.
Can we like somehow like cut the straw in half or something?
Just share it.
I have a cold.
Okay, well don't.
Taste it. Is it good?
I think it needs more mixing.
Try it. Is it sweet? What does it taste like?
It's really, really sour.
Do you want any more of it?
Well, I think you have to mix it more because
I'm gonna use the other side of the straw.
Is it good?
Oh wow, that is sour. Hold on. It's good though.
is it still sour?
It's good.
Oh,
Mmm, tasty.
Here, Dom.
Okay, let me try it.
oh my gosh, that was super sour.
Okay.
Tastes like laundry soap.
Can I? I'm gonna taste the one.
Did you just switch the sides of it?
Just don't drink any more out of it, Sophia. He's gonna get a cold, that's fine.
let's make more.
Alright, say goodbye to everybody on the video. We're going to turn it off.
Bye.
What do you think? Was that a successful...
Yeah.
Okay, it was way better now because you know what? It was super gross when you only mixed it like 5 times, Sophia.
Yeah.
That was super gross. Bye.
Alright, over and out. We're going to eat the rest of our laundry detergent.
Ow.